In today's video, I'll show you how to customize your chart on TradeLocker. To begin, right-click on the chart and select Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Symbol tab. Here, you can turn off the candle body, borders, or wicks, and also change the color scheme by selecting your preferred colors. You'll also find data modification options such as price precision and time zone, which you can adjust based on your preference. Next, open the Status Line tab. You can uncheck any boxes you want, like the title, and you'll see the changes reflected directly on the chart. In the Scales and Lines tab, you can customize price scale settings, price labels and lines, and the symbol, including the color options. This section also includes time scale settings. Then go to the Canvas tab, where you can adjust the chart's basic style. You can change the background from the solid to gradient, modify colors, and adjust scales, buttons, and margins. Once you're done customizing, click OK to save your changes. If you want to reset everything back to default, right-click the chart, select Settings, go to Template, and click Apply Defaults. And that's how you customize charts on TradeLocker.